I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner Channel. In this video, we are building a custom Happy Notes notebook and decorating it with Swarovski crystals. I've been shopping a lot in JoAnn and Michael's lately. They've been having some great sales this summer, and I found some goodies on clearance, including an extra snap-in cover. How much was that? It was, I don't remember. Really good price. And of course, like all the Happy Planner stuff has been on sale. I got some extra discs. These are mini metal discs. The clearance price was $7.47, but I got them for an additional 20% off of that, or 25%. And then Swarovski crystals, they're on sale sometimes as well. This color is crystal shimmer, and this is a mix of different sizes of the 3, 4, and 5 millimeter. So I thought it'd be super fun to build this notebook. I love this one. It has lined paper. Lined paper is my favorite paper to use, and I love the Happy Planner paper. It's just good, nice, thick paper to write on, so your colors don't go through. Okay, I think first we need to switch out the discs. So we'll just take out the discs. These kind of box sets of discs come with 11 so that you have enough to do a big Happy Planner. The regular size Happy Planner has uses 9 discs, and the mini uses 7. So, and the micro uses 4. So you can build a micro and a mini with one set of those. So first let's switch out the discs, and I think we should, I guess we should decorate the cover off of the planner and let it dry overnight before we put it together. It's easier to put the snap cover on the discs first, and then these covers on the discs, and then the paper. So actually, let's decorate first and let this dry, and then we'll put it all together. I have been having so much fun decorating all my Happy Planner stuff with Swarovski crystals. They're so pretty and sparkly. I just love them. So this pack of crystals came from JoAnn, and it comes in the 5, 4, and 3 size, or the 20 SS, 16 SS, and 12 SS. I think we're using the 12s in this size. I mean, to cover up these little gold circles. Pretty sure that the 3 or the 12 SS is the size that will fit these. Let's try it out. I've got some of both of these sizes in here already, and I think the smaller size, there's the bigger. Yes, so that smaller size fits perfect in those little gold dots. Let's see if I can get some glue out of here. This is the E6000 jewelry and bead glue. Okay, so I'll just put a little drip of glue right on the gold dot, and then we'll put a sparkle there. Okay, there's a few to get us started. I like when the crystals fit the size of the circle perfectly, because that way you know when you've got it straight and centered. Got the right size? Yeah, the small one. Okay, we just have to do 4 more along this edge. We will let this dry and then build our notebook. It's going to be so pretty. Okay, our snap-in cover is dry. All the crystals are on there really good and so sparkly. I love how this turned out. These crystals in this color, the crystal shimmer, I wonder if you can see it. Crystal shimmer has like a gold and the teal blue kind of tint to it. So it looks super good on this cover. All right, so the next step is to take our gold discs and snap the cover onto the discs, and then we'll snap in our Happy Notes notebook. So you can do it this way and snap both pages, I guess, the front and the back cover, or you can snap all the front discs on and then the back. It doesn't matter. Just got to snap those in. And this is very strong and sturdy, so this is more difficult than your planner covers to snap the discs onto. And I have broken these before, so you do have to be a little bit careful not to break it. One more snap, and we've got discs on our snap-in cover with Swarovski crystals. Okay, next we will take off the Happy Notes covers and go ahead and snap those in to the snap cover, and then we'll switch out our paper the same way that we would switching out the months in our planner. And you can punch in both of these at the same time. Okay, so once you've got your cover on your snap cover, open it up and then take some of the paper from the first section along with the cover, with the divider, and just punch that in. This Happy Notes will fit with the snap cover on the mini discs with about 40 sheets of this paper, which is the first 2 sections from the Happy Notes, because the Happy Notes come with 40 sheets. So once you add the snap cover, it takes up some space and will hold comfortably about 40 sheets or 2 sections of paper. So you just take a little bit at a time along with that divider. Punch that in. We've got one more section. Close it up. Now you've got a Happy Notes notebook with the snap-in cover, 40 sheets of lined paper, and Swarovski crystals. So leave a comment down below and tell me what you're doing with your Happy Notes notebook. I liked the first Happy Notes notebook so much that I built a second one. The second one is the rainbow mini discs, metal discs with a white snap-in cover and gold Swarovski crystals. And I put this Happy Notes notebook in it. It says, sometimes all you need is a little splash of color. And it has the pretty florals on the inside in that teal color. And then I put in 2 tabs and then another 20 sheets and 20 sheets of paper. And this notebook has super cute animal print paper. and it's dot grid. Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.